Hello, welcome back again. If you're looking for high quality vector image or icons, logos or illustrations that you want to use in your project, why not check out this AI software called Recraft. Recraft is a powerful vector image generation which generate high quality vector image, icons, logos and many more things that you can just write inside Recraft. So let's check it out. So once you sign up with Recraft, you can see here with the pricing free that you can use for commercial license, and your images are public, and you can read the other terms and conditions here on their website. So let's jump in and check that out. So here, once you sign up, you can see this is where all your projects that you have created will appear here. So here in the community tab, you can see many have been using this to generate very beautiful artwork or vectors. So here you can see under it categories, vector art here, and you have the illustrations and icons. So these are communities that have been creating, and they all end up here. Now if we go back to my project, you can see if you go here, this is where all your projects will appear here again, and then you have to create new from here. So once we click here, it gets up to this creating board here, or let's see this empty canvas. So you can see different tools here, the selecting tools, the hand tool, the create new tool, and then the vector tool. You have the other tools here, the text. So let's just go straight to vector image here. Once you click that, you can see already it gives you, it's creating a frame for you to use. You can resize this frame to whatever size that you want to, and to check the width and the height, you can see here this is now 1026 by 1146. And now once you click here, you can see different generating custom, the vector art, the icons here that you can use. And under the presets here, you can see different presets here that is available here to use. So we select one of these. Let's select the flat here. And once you select that, you can click here and type in your prompt. So I have this prompt here, a teacher teaching in the classroom. Now in the add palette, this is where we add the color, which kind of color we want to apply to our vector icon here, or the image here. So if you click here, you can see different palette here. You can see different palettes here where you can just choose from the default here, from different default here, or you can just create your own palette from here, whatever color that you want your image to generate, that apply to your image. Okay, so I just laid this one, so you can see it's creating it here. Now let's just recrop what we have, and according to this frame here, it's gonna recrop our image right inside here. So let's click on recrop, and you can see it start generating now. Okay, you can see a teacher teaching right here. It's generating according to that. You can see two different images generated here. So you can do that. You can select one of them, and you can choose different kinds of presets here to use that, or you can just use the icon here. So just generating using the icon. Okay, so you can see if you want to use this kind of illustration, you can just select this icon. So you can choose from here the vector art, the icon, and you can see different style presets here. So there you go, a great place that you can generate high quality vector. Now once you are finished with this, you can see rasterize, repaint, erase an area, and recolor, replace the background. All this up here on the tools panel here. You can add the text into it as well. And to export that, you can come up here and you can see the resolution that you're going to export in. If you can resize this, it's up to you. So you can just resize and check the width and the height from here. But once you're happy with that, you come here and you can export in PNG, JPEG, SVG or LOTI. So let's just go for PNG, and it's downloading it, and you can see here is the image. Okay, so that's our image there. Now, thank you for watching. Why not try this out? It's a great AI application that can help you to speed up your workflow instead of searching for icons or anything that you want to place inside your video. Thank you for watching.